95 degrees. Been working around the yard. Had me some brunch there. Hey, 152, I hope you have a blessed Sunday and get some real good skip. Rumble Coast, right back.
That's a Gravely. He got him a Gravely there. 10-4. Yeah, he said he had it for a couple of years or so.
05 Sam.
Oh, boy, you sounded bodacious down here this morning, brother. Sound all kinds of good. You all by yourself. And you have yourself a bodacious Sunday, my good friend. 152, your watchmaker, wave and right back.
That's right, that's right. Mine looks like pure hell. I need to put the belt back on. That doggone belt came off of the deck there. 10-4.
410. Yeah, kind of dipping and dabbing and a little messy down here, but I got you in there about 7 on me. And, man, it's goofy right now. Hey, 152, sounding real good buddy. I'm going to work this big old moron monster when I get a chance. Every time I get a chance, 410.
Hey, 549, 33, South Carolina.
About a lady tornado.
10-4 on that. Yeah, it didn't hurt the metal for it. It didn't look like it hurt.
Yeah, train right there, good time. Put a little jazz in there and a couple others, but the only one I made out that go around was jazz.
That's right.
Yeah, I gotta see if I can put it back on. I don't know if I can see it good enough to put it back on.
Radio check's working.
I'm in smoking. I got. I don't think I can see it good enough.
New York, Big Apple. I'm waving a hand, 730, your watchmaker, breaking on through.
Yeah, born over here.
Is it modulating good out there? Is it modulating good? 305 Sam Power.
Yeah. Look like the old skip trying to roll in here.
I appreciate you looking out for me, Chaz. I'm going on.
Hey, you bet there, 730. You sounded good yourself, making a fine trip down here to Emerald Coast, no doubt about it. And I'd heard Hollywood in there, too, waving a hand. I'm going to wave a hand to him. Hollywood, 730, your watchmaker, wave, and right back.
Talk, Skip.
Mayhem on the bowl a while ago. All righty, Chaz, take care. Have a fine day, Chaz. Folks, to help me get her down here next week,
Hey, I'm waving 323. Hey, 323. Can you say that? Can I say 323? 323. Your watchmaker, baby, can I do it?
Sounds good. Sounds real good.
10-4. That does me a pretty good job. I've got that 4-built Rainmaker built that 2 games.
Yeah, it sounds good. It's not overmodulated. It sounds real good, nice and clear. Now, debate.
Good morning, time. Good afternoon. 102 over there in D.C. in the nation's capital. No doubt about it. I'm waving right back, brother.
Go to bed. 10-4. All right, man. Have a good one.
Wait, but it's not overmodulated. Sounds like one of these Super Bowl stations, man.
So 10-102, you have yourself a good day up there. Stay safe in the nation's capital. No doubt about it. I heard 323 up there above you waving too. I'm going to wave a hand back at him. 323, 102 around the capital. Your watchmaker, Emerald Coast, right back.
Get 841, Alabama's looking Hey, 5-4. Hey, lost again in these Georgia woods with the wave. 265. We owe your mail. Bring up mail.
80-foot crank-up tower, so I should be all right.
410, 323. I'm waving right back. You definitely got to work it down here on the coast. No doubt about it. 323. I'm waving right back.
Down out of love up there. Ain't no doubt.
Hey, take more care. They come lost again, 265 miles of Georgia.
323-841 Alabama. How about a 323 Connecticut? Hard punching 841 Alabama's calling. Bring on.
Hey, is this a CN 429 we know from? And 323 right there, you smoking it.
Yeah, I heard it 323. I heard it the first go around, no doubt.
323 500 South Carolina.
22, you're watching.